Hello! So today's video is about moving into gratitude and really living in a space of abundance, because so often we focus on what we don't have. So we're trapped in the past, kind of thinking, oh, this thing that we once had that was so beautiful, I wish I could have this back. There's something in the future which we're dreaming about or kind of craving and driving all of our life to make this thing happen, and it doesn't happen. And so often we're just stuck in the past and the future, kind of chasing, just in lack. And a perfect example for me just recently, I'm here in Mexico right now, I'm traveling, but I was going to go to Colombia at one point and do the Inca Trail. And I didn't know the Inca Trail existed. I never knew it existed. And then once I knew it existed, I was really excited about going. And then when it looked like I wasn't going to go to Colombia, I was really kind of quite sad, and the whole FOMO started to fill me of like, oh no, but I know I want to do this trek and it's going to be really cool. And if I go another country, it's going to be a different experience. And now I want this experience now. I want the Inca Trail. I want to do that trek and go into those temples. And it really struck me that before I knew about this Inca Trail existing, before, when I just did not have that knowledge, I was fine. But once I knew it existed, then there's the attachment. And then once it was taken away, I was in a space of lack. And so even though when I was planning to come to Mexico, I should be full of gratitude for that, but I was trapped in this alternative reality, thinking about the Inca Trail. And that was a beautiful example for me of being caught in a fantasy, in a story, in a possible future, rather than really being in the present. And so once I gave myself permission to let go of this possible future and connect to what actually is going to happen and now is happening, I'm here in Mexico, then it's beautiful. I'm full of gratitude. I am cooking a little bit in this sun, but I'm just so full of gratitude for being right here now. And when we're not in a space of gratitude, when we're stuck in these possible futures or clinging to the past, because even with this Inca Trail story that I'm sharing, it looked like it was going to happen. It was a possible future, but then when that possible future vanished, then it was part of a kind of alternate past, which I'm now not experiencing. So this future, past, it's all very, very much connected. But the main thing being is that they're experiences, they're moments that are not now, in this moment, which we could really be kind of grateful for. When we're stuck in these states, we get anxious, we get stressed, we don't sleep as well. All these states which are just not really helpful and conducive to a healthy lifestyle and just peace of mind and well-being. And gratitude is such an important part of meditation, just daily life, being well, really being well. So that's what I wanted to focus on in this video, this introduction today. So I'm here, I'm cooking slightly, but again, I am not going to complain because I'm going to focus on the fact that I'm here and I could be in the winter in Europe, which I've just left. So wherever you are and wherever your experience is right now, we'll do a short meditation to really focus on what's here, what's now, and what we're grateful for, rather than these possibilities which are now stories, or maybe still stories, maybe still possibilities, but they're keeping us from this moment. So wherever you are, sitting, lying, wherever's comfortable, just bring your attention to your breath. Just the natural flow of air in and out through your lungs. So there's no real effort that we're making here. This is not a breath work meditation. It's a simple grounding into the body, coming into gratitude. And as you come into your body, just allow whatever thoughts are in your mind to really begin to settle. And just allow your attention, your awareness to drift down from your head, down through your neck and shoulders, into your chest, and into your belly, really into the torso, our root. where we're rooted right now. And as you breathe, just become aware of any attachments that you've been having, any stories around the past, any fantasies, expectations of the future. Whatever you're aware of, just give permission for those thoughts, those feelings for now, just to put them aside. Because they're possibilities. They're the past, they're the possible future. They're interpretations. And what you have right now is this body, sitting here in this moment. So just come into this body, feeling your arms and your legs. We're grounding into the space that you're in. And just be grateful initially for this body, the fact that you're alive. We forget we're alive. The fact that you can experience this moment, experience this body, these fingers, these toes. It's a profound, profound gift which we forget. So shifting our appreciation a little more, just allow a memory, it could be a place or a person, something that you are really grateful for in your life, something very present. So it could be your well-being, your physical state. It could be a meal you've just had, a friend, a family member, your work, whatever it may be, but just allow that to fill your chest, to fill your belly. And allow a little smile to come to your face. Allow that smile to spread through your arms, your legs. And feel you like a wave. Just really let that joy, just allow that joy to come to you. Acknowledging what you have in this life, this thing, this person, whatever it is you're grateful for. Now as we extend our gratitude a little more, imagine this gratitude within you beginning to burn like a flame filling your belly and chest, warming your body, filling you with beautiful, beautiful heat, joyful heat. Now allow that heat from your body to travel to those in your life. So imagine this warmth that you're radiating, traveling to members of your family, friends. And maybe you imagine this heat wrapping them up, keeping them snug, warming their faces. It could be warming a plant, or a pet. And with this warmth, imagine this gift of gratitude you're now experiencing, passing on to that person, to that plant or pet, so that they're able to connect to what they're appreciative of. Moving out of the past, moving out of the future, moving out of lack. Just take a few deep breaths, just breathing into this joy, into this warmth that you're sharing, radiating through your body to your loved ones. Knowing that you can carry this gratitude through your day. So anyone that you meet today, just allow yourself to be appreciative of what it is you share, what it is you're doing. It doesn't always have to be your most favorite thing in the world. that there's something to be gained, some presence, some exchange, some beauty, wherever you can find it. And whenever you struggle, you can come back to this quiet space again. This warmth within your body which you radiate. So slowly, as we wrap up this little meditation now, just allow yourself a gentle stretch, your rotation of the shoulders, flex of the fingers and toes. When you're ready, open your eyes and come back into the space that you're in, wherever you are.